Good afternoon. Welcome to Coding for Kids by Kids. And today we will be doing Python for kids. And you will learn how to code Python on a website, and it will also be in a fun way. This website will be called Code Combat. We'll be doing it in the coding language called Python. To get on it, you use www.codecombat.com. Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. For example, hero.attack, brackets, semicolon. And in the brackets, you could who the hero is going to attack. Getting on, you can type in Code Combat into the browser, play on which is the link, or you could just type in www.codecombat.com. Python used to write all sorts of code, and it uses so much punctuation when you're using Python. So, you can ask me, David, or Joshua.